All right, so my neighbor came over the other day. Super cool dude. Fantastic mountain biker. Mountain bikes every single day, I think, except for when it's snowing. Anyway, big shout out to Jim. He came over the other day and was looking at our van and said, we only got a bed for two in here. How? So only two people can go on your trip? And I was like, well, I think we could probably get four. He said, where are they going to sleep? So I'll show you what I did. There was a hole here that I went on ahead and I put a rivet nut in. I don't know if you can see behind there. And I put one of these anchors. These are one of the original tie-down anchors that were down in the floor. They had them on the rails and stuff. They're super, super sturdy. It's for anchoring down, you know, when you load big equipment in the 3500, strapping it down so it doesn't move. And then back in the back corner, right there, there is one of the native tie downs that actually had a bolt already in it. All I had to do was just screw the, I had already taken it out. I just had to screw the ring back in there. So we're gonna have room for two on the bed. Our kitchen counter is gonna come about where that piece of tape is. It's gonna come down to about right here. So literally there is 2 feet where you can put a air mattress, one of those little real thin air mattresses like you use in a, that blow up, like you put in a tent, with a sleeping bag. So there's 1, 2, 3. And then I came up with the way for number 4. That's a surprise. You have to hold on a second to see it. All right, here's number 4. That's right. So the kitchen counter will be here. You can actually raise it so it's a little bit higher up, but their butt will be above the kitchen counter, which is only 34 inches high. We'll come out to about right here. That strap, if the people sleep with their head over on this end, would be above their feet. So we got 4 people. 4 in a ProMaster 159 extended. And only 2 of them have to touch each other. And hopefully they're friends or lovers or something like that. So anyway, good friends, I guess I should say. Anyway, here's a way to add another person to your van. All it takes is 1 rivet nut using the existing tie down and an Eno hammock. And this was not sponsored by Eno, but Eno, I will take a free hammock. Well, luckily, man, that was an epic fail. I had my hands literally on the side pushing down to get out of the Eno hammock when the rivet nut pulled through the metal. I went slamming butt to the ground, did not break my tailbone because I was holding on with my arms. I just basically extended my arms straight up and that just slowed down the impact. So don't hang in a Eno hammock with the rivet nuts. And by the way, I had it backwards. The rivet nut in the back corner was the one that I added. The one up in the front was the original tie down. So anyway, we're gonna have to come up with a new plan. Ah!